Hello and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we're making basic computer skills easy. So the previous videos, if you have been following, we learned how to create a table of contents and we also learned how to merge. So now for this video, we're going to learn something not so different from the previous stuff we have learned. We're going to be creating a list of figures and tables. So a list of figures and tables is simply very similar to a table of contents, only that for it portrays figures or tables that are displaying some form of data. You can find this maybe in books, in reports, or dissertations. I'm sure some of you have already encountered these. So that's what we're going to be creating today. So for our video today, for our lesson, I had already prepared a Word document that we're going to use. So without any other ado, let's get started. Here is our document. So we're going to start creating our list of figures and tables. So as you can see in my document I prepared, it has a couple of figures and tables that we're going to use. As you can see. So I think I should get started. So all we need to do first, we're going to select every image and then we set a label to it. It can either be a table or a figure. Now for this one, for instance, this is a figure. So you come to references. I was already into references. Maybe you are at home section of Word. You come over here and select references. In references, there will be an option of insert caption towards the end of the navigation bar. Select insert caption. So now you have to look at what label it's set before you create it. This is not a table. We have agreed it's a figure, so we have to come and change this to figure. Then it will automatically set this to a figure. Once this is the first figure we are setting, and you can decide which position you want the label to be displayed, either at the top of the image or at the end. But for my case, I want it below the selected item, so I'll go with that option and I click OK. See, and it's been displayed down there. Come on, I do the same for all my other figures. Insert caption to automatically generate this as a second figure. So I click OK. I keep doing the same for all my figures. Nothing difficult about it. We're just setting labels. I think that's it for my figures. Now, not so different, we're going to do the same for the tables. Now for tables, I'm just going to click each table, go to insert caption. So we agreed this is not a figure, this is going to be a table. So we just come and change the label to table. And I want the position to be above the selected item. That's already set that way. So I just click OK. Do the rest for the remaining figures. Doesn't seem very hard, is it? Didn't think so. So yeah, I think now we are done setting our labels to our figures and tables. The next thing to do is to create our list. So to create our list, I'm going to create, I don't know if you have encountered it before, they're usually displayed in the start of the book, maybe just after the table of contents. Remember, we learned how to make a table of contents, but that's not what we're here for today. So now for my case, I'm just going to put it after my first page. So I'm going to come towards the end of at the very end of the first page. Remember, we learned how to insert a new page. You just go to the insert section and then click page break. You just come at the end of this previous page over here and then click insert page break. Insert page break and a new page will be created. So this is where I'm going to create my list of figures and tables. Maybe just to write a title so you can see this is where my list of figures and tables It's going to be displayed over here. Now, it's time to create the what? The content of our list. So all we have to do is go back to our references, then insert table of figures. Then according to the order of our page, the first things to be displayed were images. So I can just come and change the caption label to figure. And it will show me the what? Exact location by page numbers. I click OK. It does so. And I just do the same for the tables. So these two tables, it's already set. There were 5 tables, remember? So just click OK. And that's it. With that, you have created successfully our list of figures and tables. So I thank all of you who have managed to complete the video and reach all this far, and I hope you have learned how to create a list of figures and tables. So don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends that you think will need this. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.